Welcome back to another video in Twinkl Kids TV's How to Draw series. Today we'll be learning how to draw a frog. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to make some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So make sure you've got everything you need and let's get going. Start off with the frog's head by sketching a big oval on its side. To add in some big eyes, draw 2 circles overlapping the top of the oval. To give your frog a big belly, draw another bigger circle overlapping the bottom of the oval. Now you've got so good at drawing circles and ovals, draw 2 more squished ovals on either side of the frog's body. To complete the pencil lines of the legs, create a triangle under each of the semicircles you just drew. In between the sketches of the legs you've just made, draw 2 long lines coming down the middle, adding triangles to the bottom of these too. I know it might feel a bit weird just drawing shapes for now, but it's going to make it so much easier to create an amazing final drawing with your pen. But before we move on to that, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel? Just click the button below and get new Twinkl Kids TV videos straight to your feed. So now we have the basic shapes, let's pick up the pen to create an awesome frog. Start by tracing over the circles you drew for the frog's eyes, but only until the lines meet the oval. Then you can connect them by outlining the oval and continuing to follow the line all the way around. Now you might be able to see how the head is taking shape. The pencil is there as a guide for your pen, as the pencil lines are much easier to rub out. So when using your pen, try not to let the lines overlap. To practice this, start outlining the body, but only as far as the start of the legs. Then you can continue to go over the oval shapes you drew for the top of the legs. Now remember those triangles you made? They're going to be the froggy feet. Outline them, adding curves to the base to show that they're webbed, as that's an important detail so that frogs are able to swim. Turn the 2 lines into front legs by adding in another straight line to each, and of course, adding a foot at the end of each one. In the little mounds on the head, draw 2 circles for eyes so your frog can see where all the flies are. Inside here, draw 2 more circles, leaving the inner one white to show the light reflecting. To finish off, draw 2 little dots for nostrils. And of course, a big smile. And there you have it, your finished frog. Isn't he cool? Thanks for joining us here at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.